Welcome to Know Your Doosan.
Welcome to Know Your Doosan. I'm Mark Christopher, and today I'm going to show you how to designate a large tool on your Doosan vertical machining center. You may want to use a large shell mill or some large diameter tool, and we don't want two of these colliding when we put them in the carousel. Also, these large tools tend to be heavy, and we don't want a fast tool change to occur and launch our tool out of our ATC. So let's designate that large tool to avoid any collisions or any tool launches in our vertical machining center. First, we need to navigate to the tool data table within the Easy Operation Package page. This is exclusive to Doosan and its owners. So let's go to the EOP page on my new IHMI control by pressing the EOP icon. Then I want to press the Tool Management icon, and this will put me into the tool data table. If you are familiar with the FANUC legacy controls, you will notice this looks exactly the same. For those of you who don't have an IHMI control, you will simply go to your EOP page, navigate to the tool management screen, and follow the same instructions from this point. As soon as you press Tool Management, you are in the tool data table. You will notice in the top left, it says TM is off. This is telling us that tool management is off. While on this page, go ahead and press the E-stop. Sounds a little extreme, I know, but just trust me on this one. Once you have pressed the E-stop, the Tool Manage On soft key will appear in the soft keys at the bottom of the screen. We want to turn this on, so go ahead and press the Tool Manage On soft key. The machine will then put a message on the screen that says, press Y to turn on tool management. We want to simply press the Y hard key to confirm that you want to turn on tool management. You will now notice at the top left of your screen, the TM off message has turned to TM on. Your tool management is now on. From here, we need to navigate over to the tool pocket page. This is the page that shows what tool numbers are in which pockets. All of the vertical machining centers from Doosan come with random access carousels. These carousels save valuable time between tool changes. In this state, when an M6 tool change is commanded, the machine will put the existing tool that is in the spindle, no matter the tool number, into the closest open pocket. You will see on your screen there is a soft key called Tool Pocket. Let's press this to pull up the Tool Pocket page. This page shows all the pockets in the carousel and which tool numbers are assigned to each pocket. Now that we are on the Tool Pocket page, we will be able to designate which tool pocket we want to use for our large tool. For today's demonstration, I'm going to designate pocket number 10 as my large tool pocket because it has tool number 10 in the pocket, and that is the large tool that I want to use in my program. First, you want to make sure the edit key is pressed. Next, we need to blank out both pockets on either side of pocket 10. This will require us to zero out pocket number 9 and pocket number 11 by simply moving the cursor to the desired tool number, typing 0000 and pressing the input hard key. This will blank out the tool numbers. Now we need to highlight tool number 10 and press the large tool on-off soft key. Once you do this, you will see the L to the right of the tool number and it is highlighted in green. We have just completed designating tool number 10 as a large tool. All that's left to do is release the E-stop and press the green Machine Ready button. That's it. My machine is back and ready to run my parts. This designation of the large tool is important for a couple of reasons. As I told you earlier, our Doosan machining centers are random access pocketing. However, when we designate a tool as a large tool, the tool and the pocket on the carousel are now dedicated to each other. The machine will put tool number 10 back in pocket 10 every time it's removed from the spindle, ensuring that the large tool goes back in the correct pocket each time. Now, somewhere in the future, you may want to take that large tool out and turn off the large tool designation. As easy as it was to designate the tool as a large tool, it's just as easy to put it back. The first thing we want to do is put the large tool back in the carousel. It cannot be in the spindle when we designate or cancel the large tool status. Now at this point, we just follow the same steps to set a large tool as before. This time, we just do it in reverse. Here, I will press the Edit Soft key. I will highlight Pocket 10 and press the large tool on-off soft key. This will make the L disappear. Pocket number 10 is no longer designated as a large tool. We would then highlight Pocket 9 and enter the tool number that had previously been there or any tool number that is not in use. So previously, tool number 9 was in Pocket 9. So I'm going to enter 0009 and press Input. I am then going to highlight Pocket number 11 and enter 0011, which was the tool number that was previously assigned to this pocket. Now we would need to navigate back to the Tool Data page by pressing the Tool Data soft key and unpressing the Edit key if it is still active. We then need to turn off Tool Manager by pressing the Tool Manage Off soft key. You will get the same message again. Press the Y hard key and now just release the E-stop and press the green Machine Ready button and your machine is back up and running. Your machine is now using all of the pockets on the carousel randomly when it puts a tool away from the spindle. I really want to thank you for watching. If you want to see a future Know Your Doosan video on a topic you think is important, type it up and put it in the comments below. I want you to have a great rest of your day and keep making those chips fly with Doosan.